Hello everyone, welcome back to some more Daily Reading Nonograms. It is 9 p.m. on March 30, where I'm at, and we have another puzzle for us today. So, let's get started. So just let me do my initial setup here. Anyway, this is my second day back, or second day trying to be back. So again, still pretty rusty. If you happen to watch the last video, I'm still pretty rusty on playing while talking again, but we'll get there. Right? Yeah, we'll get there. 289. So let me just try some stuff. 18.4. This probably leads to a lot of progress, I hope. 9, 12, 8, 13. Okay. 7. And 3 there. 5. Another 3. Block this off. Excuse me. So this has to be the 8. This is also an 8. Looks like we can't reach to there. So meaning that we can cut this off. There's nothing here. 1, 1, 1. 10. Minus 4. 3, 9. This is what is this? Minus 7. 2, 10. This is minus 7. Alright. This is a 3, 6. I have to block these. Okay. Sick. What about this side? So this is 7, 5, 5, 1, 12. It's minus 5. 10, 12. Probably leads to a lot of things, I hope. This is alright. Can we cut this off? Nope. This 7, 4 has a space. Yep, definitely. This has to be the 5, so we can cut this off here. This has to be the 4, we can cut this off there. Alright. Nothing here. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. Yeah. And nothing here also. So let's extend let's extend all of these. Extend. That is 9. Let me recheck. Let me just do it from the same side I did. 1 on 1, 10, minus 2, 3, 9, minus 4, 2, 10, minus 4. Okay, nothing here. It's an 8. That's our 7. There's our 3. This is a 6. 1 completes this row. Nice. Very, very nice. This is at least a 5. So like that, cut the 6. Sorry. This is a 4. This is a 4. This is a 3. That's a 2. This is a 6. And 1, 1, 4. No longer a space here. So this is the 4 over here. That's a 4. This is part of the 18. Cut it off there. That's a 4. That's a 3. And that's a 3. Very nice. 3 here, it's a 12. Oh, we can complete that 12 actually. This is a 4, it's a 2, it's a 6. That's a 3, that's a 3. Nothing here, there's a 5. At least a 2, I believe. 2, 3. No, we don't know yet. But this is a 9 though. Hang on. So hang on, sorry. So this extends, so it makes 8, this makes 10. So this has to be 9, this has to be the 8. Good. It's 9. Yeah. Great. This is a 3, it's a 6, so 9, and this is our 8, completes that. That should also be the 18 complete, nothing here. That's a 3, that's a 3, so this is a 2, that's another 3, that's a 4, 6, 4, and another 6 over here, so 12, that's a 10, so 5 at least. This is a 4, 3, it could fit, we're not sure yet. This is a 4, there's a 2, nothing here, nothing there, so 9, so there's a 3, that's a 10, that's another 10, so nothing here, there's a 3, there's a 4, 5, okay, what now, so 2, 7, complete, block this off, that's an 8, nothing here, that's a 10, 6, good, very nice. So this is a 4, 3, this is also a 4, 3, yep, looks correct. Extend the 7, minus 2, so this is part of the 14, here we go. Which means we can block all of this. Where to go now? Any leads? There's a 3, it's a 3, 4, 4, can both fit here? It can. Here, it's a 2, there's a 9, and then our 4, you can limit that there, there's our 1, where does our 13 reach? Over there. Okay, so this is a 1, this is a 9, remove this. This is part of 7, remove all of that. This is a, this is a 4, this is a 4, nothing here. It's a 4. That is a 5, or yeah, that's a 5, that's a 4, that completes this row, yeah, that completes that column, I mean. This is the 7, minus 4, that's a 4 there, can this be the 9? Yeah, it can be. Okay, it's a 5, this is at least a 4, 7 right here. Just block all of this off. Now we have this 5 and we have this 4. So that's an 8, it's 13, 12, 3, 1, 1, 3, 4. So this is a 3, this is a 4, 3, 5, 3, 4, 4. That's a 2. This is a 9, nothing here, that's a 1, complete. Nothing here, that's a 12, and that's a 5, so there is a 1, and that's a 5. There's a 1, so that's a 2. This should complete this column, yep. There's nothing here, can complete these 9s. 7, let's get this up there. This is a 2, this is 7, 4 over here, minus 2, that's a 9, 7, 5, limit that there. This is a 5, that's a 1, that's a 4, that's a 12. So 1, 2, 1, 6. Alright, going good. Nothing here. Could be there, could be there. Can't be there. Alright. Mm-hmm. Where to go now? Where to go now? This is part of the 15 actually. So 14. So that's a 1. Which means this is a 3. That's a 4. Nothing over here. There's our 9. That has to be a 1. Nothing here. 6 minus 2. 7. 5. 3. 2, 9. Complete. Nothing here. That's a 1. That's a 2, 4, 3. Complete. Very nice. It's at least a 2. That's a 6. Not quite done yet. Nothing here. 2, 1, 2. It could also be here though. 2, 1, 2. 1, 1, 3. But 2, 1, 2. No. So this is forced, right? Because 1, 1, 2. And then 1. And then no space for a 2. Yeah. So there's a 2. Like that. Nothing here. That's a 1. That's a 2, nothing here. This is probably a 4. Yeah, it is. So that's a 4. That's a 6. That's a 5. Completes that row. Very nice. 1, 3, 4, 7. Complete. That's a 1. This is a 4. 3. This is our 6. Yep. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. 3, 3. That's a 6 already. This is a 3. This is a 2. 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. Great. This completes that. 1, 1, 1, 10. 3, 9, 2 completes. 2, 10, 4 completes. 1, 2, 2, 4 completes. 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 completes. Nice. So, where to now? Where to now? That's a 4. That's a 1. That's a 3. Nothing here. Forces the 2 to be over here, I think. 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. Completes this. That's complete. 2, 1. That's a 9. 3, 2, 3. Nothing here. This is a 1. Nothing here. It's a 3. Which completes this. Completes this. Completes this. Not sure yet where that goes over there. So let's go somewhere else. 3, 2. Lock these. Nothing here. That's a 3. That's a 2. That's a 2. 7. 6 minus 1. 2, 2, 2, 2, 8. 2, 2. I mean 4, 2, 2, 2. Yeah, 3 2s. 2, 2, 2. Minus 1, minus 1. Completes that. This has to be the 6. So 1, 1. This is complete now. Yeah. Yep. This is also this is locked. 3, 2, 1, 5. So like this. 2, 2, 8, 3, 2, 2, 1, 4, 3, like that. Complete. 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1. Should complete this. Yep. Should complete that. 1, 1, 1, 6. This is a 3. So this is done. So 6, 4, 3, 4 complete. there. 1 2 1 6. This is a 6, and we're done. Great. That's our puzzle in pretty fast time, I think. That is 15 minutes, almost exactly. So, I will be uploading this tomorrow, so that you know, I already uploaded today. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. Alright, told you I gotten better. Alright, bye bye. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah, bye bye.